Hello, today my name is Miguel and today I'm going to make for you stewed cabbage. So in stewed cabbage you can put a little carrot in it, you can do it plain, and you can put some tomatoes in it. But today I'm going to use carrot and cabbage. This is not steamed cabbage, this is stewed cabbage. You can eat it with rice or dumpling or banana for breakfast or dinner, and you can even eat it in between sandwiches, like between bread. Make a nice sandwich. This is not gonna have any saltfish nor codfish. It's a strictly vegetarian meal. So the ingredients are 1 pound of cabbage, about 1/4 pound of carrot, half of an onion, half of a medium-sized onion. If you have scallion, about 1 stalk. I only have this piece, I'm going to use this. About 1/4 teaspoon of fermented seed and half of a Scotch bonnet pepper. A piece of thyme tied to one, like this, one finger. Just one finger. You can just break off a stick that you can hold. And 1 garlic, crushed. I'm using dried basil and dried parsley. And some oil. About 1/4 cup or so. Which is not much. Sounds like a lot, but it's not much. And some sea salt for flavoring. About a teaspoon or a tablespoon, depending. I'll let you know. Alright, first thing first. Is to prep your cabbage. And splitting it in half. Should remove off the outer skin. Take that off. Shred these. Shred your carrots. Just clean off the outer skin. Cut off the tip. And just rinse them off. Some clean fresh water. Clean the air. Alright, so now let's take the cabbage, put it in some water, and add about a tablespoon of salt. And just rinse it. Just rinse this. Just rinse those. Why I do this is to get rid of the worms and to clean it too. So just let it stay for about a minute or 2 and just let it soak. Okay, so after that now you just remove the water. Split these right. Forgive me people if I'm using this plate. I don't like to use a chopper because I don't use it that much and I'm sure it has bacteria on it. That's why. So this is what I want you to do now. Just trim it. About 1/4 inch. So cut it in quarters and trim it. 1/4 inch. cabbages. Some of them cabbage you have to look at them good enough. Alright, I wasn't gonna say anything, but like how I just remember, I went many places just to get this cabbage. I went in about 3-4 different supermarkets, and you should see the cabbage they're trying to sell you. So I just went to my local market, like market, and I got this for just $100 a pound, even less than in the supermarket. Even the carrots too. Let's trim this until it's finished. Alright, let's put that in your bowl until we're ready. So this now, use this side. And just be careful with your finger. Or alternatively, you can just like this. So that should have been first. You can just do it. This thing is dangerous. It is, because if I slip and my hand go right here, it's sure to cut. To be honest, I've never used it. Because I just bought it to do my carrot cake. So I show up when time I grab it for this. That's why I have it, you know. So I normally just do this. This look neater than this. You see neat? And this look untidy. This look much neater. Anyway. That's all. And head it to the... No, carrot don't cook as well, so wait, we're gonna have to keep them separate for now. Carrot don't cook as long, don't take long to cook, and I want them to be crunchy, not soft. So I'm gonna add these almost near to the end. Now we're gonna chop one garlic. I forgot I could have just smash it, and then all of this would have just come off easily. I'm so accustomed to doing this. My friend had a fish fry this weekend gone, and I was chef number 2. Let me tell you what they had. At this fish fry, they add fried fish. I did a lot of the fried fish. They add curried fish, curried steamed fish, bami, festival dumplings, rice and peas, potato salad. What else? And the pepper sauce for those who add fried fish. And trust me, the fish was huge. The way the fish use it, the tail of it kind of hang out of the box. So this is the tomato, your onion, your garlic. Strip your scallion if you're using it. Yeah, man. So I was chef all day. On Friday festival, and I prepped the chicken foot. We also had chicken foot soup, and the chicken foot soup was cooked with chicken neck. So I prepped that, cut off the nails off the chicken feet. Alright, so slice the onion. So smash the garlic. So that's why it's not good to use plate. I heard something go clock. I wonder what I broke. Let's see. But I heard some noise. I wonder if this is breaking. It's not good to use a plate. Use a chopping board. Don't follow me. Use a chopping board. Yes, in a cut. And plus it's not safe. Maybe the plate can break too. Somebody made a comment about it on the website already. And it prompted me to get the chopping board that I have. I don't like using them because I think they get a bacteria. Okay, don't use them as much. A quarter teaspoon of pimento seed. All. Alright. So that's that. Let's clean up your area and get ready to cook. Put a pot. Put a pot for frying to heat. Put the flames, put the stove's gauge on 6. For about a minute or so, add coconut oil. You can use a quarter cup or half of quarter cup. Just allow that to add for about a minute or 2. This spoon here was my grandmother's. And she's still alive. I stole it from her. I asked her for it and she said yes. Stir fry the onion. And the scallion and the garlic. Just allow it to burn for about 30 seconds or till it starts to caramel. Why I do this? When you burn the onion, it gives it a different flavor other than the onion flavor. After that, add the pimento seed and the pepper. And the shredded cabbage. Let's cover it, and with the stove's gauge still on 6. Alright, after a minute, add the carrots. The stir fry. You just cover it. Just cover it and allow it to simmer. So that took, just to recap, so it took a minute after the cabbage, about a minute to 2 minutes. And then after that, add the onion. And then after that, add the pimento seed. And then after that, add the garlic. So that's the stove's gauge. So that took, just to recap, so it took a minute after the cabbage, about a minute to 2 minutes. And then after that, add the onion. And then after that, add the pimento seed. And then after that, add the garlic. So that's the stove's gauge. So it took a minute after the cabbage, about a minute to 2 minutes. And then after that, add the onion. and then we cover it, and then we add it, let that stay for a minute, and then we add the carrots and stir fry it in. Now we're gonna let this stay for a while. With the stove gauge still on 6. After 2 minutes, it's just 2 minutes. Stir fry. See, I didn't add any butter, and I'm not gonna add no water. So this has been cooking for about 6 minutes. Add the dried basil and the dried parsley. And stir fry. So that's it. Finished. Turn the stove off and cover it. The steam will finish cooking it. So this steamed cabbage took a total of 6 minutes to 7 minutes on flame 6 all the way. The steam will finish. Stewed cabbage. Stewed cabbage. I'm going to eat this with brown rice. Let's do a quick taste and tell you how it tastes. You can hear the crunch. It's nice, clean food. This is really nice. So that's it. Stewed cabbage.